Welcome to Spider Farmer, the better way to grow. In today's video, let's check out how the GGS gives you full, smart control over your heater. From quick manual tweaks to fully automated schedules, we'll cover everything you can do, including manual mode, time period, cycle mode, and temp mode. Let's kick things off with manual mode. When you tap into the heater panel, this is where you land. Turn the heater on or off, and adjust the running speed with a simple tap. Now let's see what happens. Next, we've got time period mode. Set specific start times and end times, and choose your running speed, perfect for syncing your heater with your grow room's daily routine. Next up is cycle mode. You can set a start time, how long it runs, how long it pauses, how many cycles to repeat, and even adjust the fan speed. You can fine-tune the timing right down to the second. Finally, there's temp mode. Set your target temperature, and the heater will turn on or off automatically to maintain it. With this new upgrade, your heater now works seamlessly with the GGS controller kits, giving you smarter and more flexible control. From auto temperature regulation to scheduled run times and basic on/off toggles, everything is built in. Prefer a more traditional approach? The physical buttons and dials let you operate the system without needing a smartphone, simple and direct. Sharing your grow setup with others? The controller makes it easy for everyone to manage, no app learning curve required. And if your Wi-Fi is down or your phone isn't nearby, no worries, local control is always within reach. Affordable, beginner-friendly, and fully compatible, the GGS controller is a solid choice for any grower. Spider Farmer, the better way to grow.